Have you ever had a conversation with your older teen or young adult and it just spiraled into tension or pushback or shutdown? This stage of parenting, where our older teens and young adults are stepping into their independence, can feel like a balancing act on shifting ground. It's that delicate dance between safeguarding and supporting and letting go. And unlike the baby and toddler years, there's no what to expect book for this season of parenting. And on top of that, so many of us didn't have role models from our own childhoods for how to parent through this important developmental phase of life, this individuation that they're navigating. And as if that weren't already challenging enough, our kiddos, and I don't need to tell you this, they're launching into adulthood in unprecedented and fast changing times. And I'm super glad to say that there's good news too, which is thanks to the developments in neuroscience, in communication, in psychology, we have more tools available to us than the previous generation did. And I can tell you both as the mother of two young adults myself and as a coach who works with parents that are navigating this phase of parenting, there are ways and there are tools to help you and support you to move through this stage of your relationship with your child with more clarity, with more connection, with fewer spirals. And I'd love to share them with you. That's why I'm hosting a free live online workshop. It's coming up. It's called Three Keys to Turn Tension into Connection with More Ease, less second guessing, and less guilt as you raise a confident, resilient adult, even in these fast changing times. It's a 90-minute online workshop that'll be a small group hands-on experience where you'll walk away with practical tools that you can use right away to meet tricky moments with more steadiness and more connection. And if this is for you, I'd love to have you join us. So click below to reserve your spot, and I'll look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.